Alright guys, this is the Amazon gel nail kit that I used. These are all the items that came with it. Some little gems, a little nail cuticle cutter, some little nail designs, decorations for your nails and some cuticle cutters, a few different nail files, and a gel cuticle. These are all the colors and the base and top coat that came with it, a brush, and the cure machine. What's up? Alright, so let's get started. This is the base coat, the top coat. This is a really bright pink color. This is a nude peachy color. That's the color we're going to be using today. A dark gray color. A light gray color. And this is like a mauve color. And like a bluish gray color. So first I'm going to start off with a thin layer of the base coat. The instructions said to put on one layer of base coat and cure for 60 seconds, or I'm sorry, for 2 minutes. I did 2 coats of the base coat. Here's Roscoe and Eddie wanting some love. I should have painted his nail. Alright, and now this is me applying the first coat of the color that we're going to use. And I know the instructions said to cure for 1 minute for each layer, but I actually did 2. I cured it 2 times. So here I didn't clean the edge very well, so I'm just going to file it off, and then I'm just going to use a little brush that came with it to to brush off any excess. So now here I'm just going to apply the final top coat, and I'm doing thin layers with all of these. And here I'm just making sure that I am capping off the bottom part of your nail or the top part of your nail and applying the final layer. So here I had a little fuzzies on my brush, so that's why I'm wiping it off. And now with the top coat, I actually cured it 3 times. And here I was just buffing off any excess stuff again, and this is what they look like. So for my first time, I think I did a really good job. I think they came out really good, and for the price point of this product, I think it's worth it. Now here I'm just doing my right hand. And this is what they look like.